Next, after cleaning it, you're going to jet wash. Make sure that the panels that you're prepping is completely damp. There you go, so you can see the body's nice and wet now. What you do is give a light spray over the entire panel, and this is your prep coat, so this is your initial layer of protection, and you would only do this step if it's the first time using the product. Okay, so you can see we've applied a thin layer of the product over the panel, and all we're going to do is actually dry the panel off while that product's sitting on there. And that is your initial prep layer done. Now we've done the prep layer, what we're going to do is apply the protective coating. And the simple way of doing that is jet washing off the panel again so it's nice and wet, applying a layer of the product and leaving it to set this time, so you leave it to settle before then jet washing off the panel. Okay, so apply the protective layer this time. We'll leave that to set on the car for a minute or so. Okay, so now you've given the product time to settle, jet wash it off. You can already see the water running off it a hell of a lot better than it was the first time. Just dry that off. It makes it so much easier to dry the panel as well. And now you can see once the panel's dry, look at the beading and the way the water just runs off now. There you go, runs off. Lovely beading. It's so much easier to dry.